Hello and welcome to TigerTutorials.com. This is the second part of the PHP email spammer. We were right in the middle of typing the reply to part of the email spammer. Put in your from header, no, from email. Sorry about that. Alright, so you have your from email dot, the dot as a concatenation between different data types, and this is just a bunch of stuff. So your email, like Gmail, recognizes that this is an email to be read by Gmail systems. I'm not a big expert on this, but I just make it work, I guess. Alright, so we're done with this. That's remarkable because it is the most time consuming and probably the most boring part of PHP, is making all these variable things. So now we're going to be going to the mail function. This is the function that actually mails whatever you're trying to send to the user. In this case, we're going to be making an email spammer, so this will be taking advantage of a unique amount of times with the iteration. And for an indication of how many times we're going to be having this sent, I'm going to be making it like a message sent, and let's see here, what am I going to put? I'm going to be just probably putting like a CTR, telling them like how many times it's been sent. Close off the B is bold. That's HTML right there. Let me just scroll down there real quick. I guess I can't. Let me try to resize this window. Sorry for the inconvenience. Alright, I think I have. Alright. Okay, so we're just on the HTML part. So P is paragraph tag in HTML, B is a bold tag in HTML, and the CTR right here is a counter that PHP puts into the HTML every time that this loop is gone through. I'm not sure about these parentheses, we'll worry about them later. Alright, so we are done with the for loop, and we're going to be making an else statement. So let's just put in the else real quick. Alright, so I have like a specific style my else is going to be, so I'm just going to copy it in, and you can do the same. Alright, so this else statement tells users that try to use my email not to. As it was up here, right here, if send mail is your email and this is true, then the boolean will register, and then it'll come down here and it'll echo false, and it'll tell your users not to do so. Alright, so now we're done with that. This is probably the best part of the script, is making a indication kind of information for your users to look out at, because they do want to see what their progress is, because everybody's antsy about what's happening, and it is a big stress, I guess, on the part of the web designer's hands. If that made any sense. Alright, so I'm just doing some more HTML tags here. I'm getting real bored of this because it is so time consuming, but the outcomes of this is tremendous because it is a good way to bug people, and I find bugging people one of the greatest things to do on a computer. Alright, so I'm copying some HTML. This is a form. This is probably something I should go over in depth. So if you haven't worked with forms before, this is how to do so. A form is set by this form method post testing PHP. Post right here means that when the user submits it, this is the submit button, that it's going to post this information in the form onto your site server. If your PHP has like if statements and says if it's not all posted, then it won't. But the script that we're using is not going to be in that depth. Anyways, so the table is the part that keeps our HTML in line, makes it look beautiful, etc. And the form is the part that makes stuff sent back and forth and submits information, etc. So the input types is an attribute of the form type up here, and it has names, types, sizes, not always max lengths. So we have an input type here, input type here, input type here, here, and then here. And the type is pretty intuitive, just text, text, text. Actually, I don't know why this is test. I guess that was a little error on my part. So we have all the text here, and that just means that it's a block, and you enter series of characters, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, symbols. And then the name is what sets this apart, and it's what the server uses to retrieve the information from input types. So say I wanted to retrieve the email to send the stuff to, you would go up here and you would find the send mail, send email, and the send email right here would be this value right here. So I can make this dog, and then I could make this dog, and it would work. So just make sure you have your names in there and everything will work out. Alright, so I have the full script, I believe, but I guess I'm missing some of this parenthesis stuff, and I don't want to have to worry about that right now. So I'm just going to copy all of the script over real quick, but we went over everything there. Alright, so all the scripts here. Uh-oh, that is my email. But, yeah. I'll just delete that email thingy there. You won't be able to see it when you're looking on the video. So this is my information. I'll probably just delete this right now. Actually, you can probably just look at it on my website, but so this is all of the script here. Like I said, you can find everything on my website. Submit, text, inputs, if statements, PHP tags. So this is everything. Please visit my website. As I said, it will make me very happy if you just, come by, submit comments, etc. Took me quite a while to make, and you can create an account. This is a cool feature that I did make. But please subscribe, rate, comment, and visit my website, and you will, I guarantee you will stumble upon some other unique and fun tutorials. I do have Java, GarageBand, Flash, Fireworks, etc. And you will get one-on-one tutorial help because it is a very small site. Thank you. Bye.